Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We're continuing the news. The government says the issues impacting the supply of hardware materials should be resolved in the coming weeks. Following the passage of Hurricane Melissa, there was a spike in the demand for material to aid in the recovery and reconstruction effort. Speaking during a tour of the Treasure Bay estate in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth, State Minister in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Delana Seabright, said the shortage of some supplies that was being experienced should ease in short order.
Monitoring along with our key partners in cement, steel, and other supplies, including the entire hardware sector, the issues concerning the supply chain and issues with supplies. We know the cement problems will ease, and it's already easing to an extent. We expect in a few weeks for that to stabilize further. As it relates to the high demand that exists out there, it is normal that after a hurricane, and given the huge uptick in reconstruction work and so on, there will be shortages, but we have worked closely with the distributive trade, with the hardwares and so on, and they have assured us that things will stabilize in very short order.
And it's time for another break, but stay with us. News from overseas when we return.